In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Asana with Clockify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add the Clockify extension to your browser and start tracking your work directly from your Asana tasks. First, open your browser and search for Clockify Chrome extension. In the search results, you're looking for the official Clockify time tracker listing in the Chrome Web Store. It should clearly mention that it's a time tracker and show that it's offered by Clockify. This is important so you know you're installing the correct and safe extension, not an imitation. Once you see the Clockify time tracker entry, click on it to open the extensions page in the Chrome Web Store. On this page, you can quickly review the description to confirm that it supports time tracking in tools like Asana. You'll also see ratings and reviews, which can be helpful if you're installing it for the first time and want extra reassurance. On the extension page, look for the button that lets you add it to your browser, usually labeled something like Add to Chrome. Click that button. Your browser may show a small confirmation pop-up asking if you really want to add this extension and listing the permissions it needs. Take a second to read those permissions so you understand what access the extension will have, then confirm to complete the installation. After a moment, the extension will be added and you'll typically see the Clockify icon appear in your browser's toolbar. If it doesn't show up right away, you may need to open your extensions menu and pin it so it's visible. Having it pinned makes it easier to quickly start and stop timers later. Now that the extension is installed, go back to Asana in your browser. Open your Asana workspace or project like you normally would. At this point, Clockify should automatically detect that you're on Asana and begin integrating its time tracking controls into the interface. When you first return to Asana with the extension installed, you'll see on-screen prompts from Clockify. These might ask you to log into your Clockify account or to grant integration permissions. Simply follow the prompts step by step. You may need to sign in, connect your Asana tasks to Clockify, and allow the extension to display timers next to your tasks. Once you've completed those on-screen instructions, you'll be ready to start tracking time directly inside Asana using Clockify.